Live now. So you're on camera. Let's do it.
Okay, we'll go put it on the airplane.
Tick the cap off. So I can't forget that anymore.
The airplane is upside down when it does that. Up is down and down is up. When you're flying RC model airplanes, when the
Yeah, there's 90 minutes on a charge and I was fully charged.
Okay.
I mean, I'm not going to get into that.
I don't know how long I've been recording, but since I've been charging for about 10 minutes.
There's that
Probably enough for a 3-minute flight.
Like I said,
No longer.
wings can't lift the airplane because they are straight up and down. Vertical. The airplane's flying on the side of the fuselage.
Oh my back.
Up into that beautiful Alberta blue sky.
Should be good.
After the show, I'm phoning my customer in Lacombe and I'm telling him I'm not coming out there tomorrow. I am sleeping in tomorrow and then I got to come out here and clean up. I'm taking tomorrow.
How many more minutes before you start flying?
Well, 3 or 4. So you might as well leave it for a couple of minutes.
Oh yeah.
Helicopter.
Awesome.
Airplane hanging
Yep,
on
looking
the
good.
prop and the engine.
I know we're next.
He's not going anywhere.
How much is it for a plane? If you build this plane yourself, how much would the total package be?
About 200 for the airplane.
14 pounds airplane.
About 200 for that engine.
The engines I have with my Cadet, would they work on something like this?
Oh yeah, this is a Cadet.
Oh, this, yeah, of course.
This is a Cadet, that's a Cadet.
Yeah, of course.
This is an LT25. It's all laser cut. That's an LT40.
Wow. I'm going to have fun with that Cadet.
And the LT25 flies really good on a 44 stroke.
The guy that it belongs to, like, I feel sorry for him because he never has the time to do something fun. So I really want to, like, have him out here.
Do formation now. Combat's right after.
Combat's right after?
Okay.
Let me
Put the A30,
put the A319 in the air before combat. If you don't mind. Please.
And looks like John's on final approach.
Vinny, we're up.
And used up a little too much runway. He's going to try that one once again.
Other way, Harv.
Try it from the other way, Harvey. Looks like it's the wind's kind of switching from coming from the east a little bit.
No, the Airbus is going out. And we're going to fly combat and trainer. We need space.
Okay, now we're getting ready.
Are you guys doing combat?
This wind keeps moving around. It is one time's from the west, now it's from the east.
The thing is, Vinny and I are doing combat. Vinny and I are going to do a formation demo. I've got a camera.
Over the fence, Harv.
So if you can go next.
We're over the fence, we're over the field,
Gives us time to
on the runway.
Good. Okay. So you're okay with me?
Beauty. Harvey Fuller flying the Yak 54. Freestyle aerobatics.
Ron, you know where the ribbons are? On the shelf behind the door?
Are we doing another combat?
Yeah. You want to tell Geraldo? Oh, he's got a ribbon. I just need a ribbon for my plane. It's on the shelf behind the door in the clubhouse. What?
We have time?
Yeah. But can you get the ribbon? Because it's next.
Oh, I thought the Airbus was next.
Well, it's after the Airbus.
Okay.